Welcome to the TubeBlog AI training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to create a blog from voice in TubeBlog AI. Go to the left menu and click on From Voice. Here you can generate blogs from your voice. You can record your voice in your desired language from drop-down. Just click on Start. Record your voice.
Revolutionary AI tech easily converts any YouTube video, podcast, or keyword into 100% SEO optimized blogs that get page 1 ranks on Google first to market. AI tech converts any viral YouTube video into 100% fresh Google friendly blogs. Insert any keyword and convert into 100% SEO.
When you are done, click on Stop. Click on Generate and you will be redirected to create a blog page. Here you can edit your blog contents. You can update your blog images with AI help. Now click on Publish and your blog will be ready. You can see your generated blog in the Content Library section. Here you can manage your blog. You can view your blog. Share your blogs on social sites. Thanks for watching the video.